The fourth industrial revolution technology is really changing the game.
There will be a fundamental shift in what consumers want and need.
They want it faster, they want it customized, they want it personalized.
So all of your value chain has to be designed accordingly.
Almost all companies are doing something around digital and analytics, but many of them have not really found a way to scale.
Companies are stuck in what we defined as the pilot purgatory.
They are trying thousand flower blooms approaches and are not very focused on how they are really creating early business impact.
For the very first time, advanced manufacturing technologies are helping companies transform the value chains end to end and develop new business models. Lighthouses are the most advanced factories in the world, so are points of lights for the broader community of manufacturers.
We define by 3W. One is a work reduction, how to be leaner, and one is a waste reduction, how to be greener, and worry reduction, how to become worry-free.
We are changing almost all of our product definition, configuration management, ERP system to be faster. That's the thing.
They are hyper-connected, which allows them to have all the devices synchronized and be able to make the most out of the data.
We decided early stage to focus on robotics, on sensorics, on analytics, and on visualization, all that embedded in an end-to-end connectivity environment.
We are more efficient in terms of maintenance, in terms of deliverable, in terms of reliability.
We have seen benefits in terms of cost savings. We have seen opportunities to accelerate product introductions. We have seen the capability to actually upskill our people.
Every year we train our workers on data sharing, information, performance improvement in production, and then we train them on the usage of the technical tools, the digital tools.
We want to leverage digital to augment their capabilities, eliminating the unsafe, the repetitive, and non-value-added tasks of the supply chain.
There's huge benefits on the sustainability standpoint for being a lighthouse. We're able to very accurately understand what our waste is. And that's not just material waste, but also energy waste.
There's a nimbleness and there's an efficiency that comes with applying these principles that today make business sense. They will soon be required in an economy, in an environment, in a world that is cycling much faster than it is today.
There is room for companies to be working together, learning from each other, and establishing new partnerships.